In this video, I'll show you how to unarchive emails in Zoho Mail quickly and easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy email tips. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Log into your account, and once you're on the dashboard, look at the left sidebar where your folders are listed. Scroll down and click on the archive folder to see all the emails you've previously archived. Next, locate the email you want to unarchive. Click on it to open, and at the top of the screen you'll see a toolbar. Find the Move To icon, which looks like a folder, and click it. From the list of folders that appears, select Inbox. This will instantly move your email back to your inbox. And that's it. Your archived email is now back in your inbox and easily accessible. By following these steps, you can manage your emails more efficiently and keep your inbox organized.